Imagine a Wales where
You are never alone.
Lle mae bobl ifanc yn gallu cael tai I fyw yn ddyn.
So, can you imagine a Wales like this? A Wales where
Everyone belong.
Ble mae'n bosib creu cartre sy'n cynnal diwylliant Cymreig a chymuned.
Where the legacy of the pits are not left in the mountains but live in the people.
And communities that benefit from our incredible natural resources.
the Communities Creating Homes team at Cwmpas work ysgwydd wrth ysgwydd, shoulder to shoulder, with communities across Wales to help turn ideas into affordable, low-carbon homes. From the first conversation to the day people move in. Communities already know what they need. Too often, the power to make it happen lies somewhere else. Gyda'n gilydd, together, let's start building it. Contact us today